What's good, everybody? It's your boy Robin. I'm back, and I'm excited, man. It finally showed up. My Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G has finally showed up. Man, you don't understand how long I've been waiting for this. I had to redo my order because, man, I screwed up my first order. Then I had to do the pre-order, which delayed this, and now it finally made it here. So I'm about to unbox it. I'm quite sure you've seen everybody's unboxing, but mine is the Phantom Green variant, unlocked version, what I can use on anybody's network. That's right, anybody's network. And you can pretty much tell by what color it is by the lower part of this V. It's a Phantom Green. Now, what's inside of the box? Well, we got the Samsung Z Fold. Where's my unboxing knife? 1 second. All right, I have to cut it off, man. I can't believe I can't find my knife. All right, so again, what's inside the box? We all know is the Galaxy Z Fold 3. We have a C2C USB, SIM pin ejector, quick start guide, and terms and conditions. So you're not gonna be surprised. Let's get to the phone. Real nice. Oh, first fold ever. And this is so nice. Wow. Man. It's got a little weight on it. I kind of was playing with one of these at Best Buy, but it's not the same until you able to hold your own phone in your hand instead of holding one of those display versions. But this is really nice. Oh man, real quick, let's talk about this, man. It's got the expansive screen, 10 megapixel under the display front facing camera. It's got the smooth 120 hertz display, dynamic AMOLED panel. This phone is a multitasking beast, hyper fast, got the flex mode. You got super fast charging, IPX8 water resistant, not dust, just water, fresh water, no salt water. Anyhow, wireless charging, power share, the three 12 megapixel cameras. We got the 12 megapixel wide, ultra wide, and a tele rear camera. Fingerprint and power button is one and the same. Comes in with Android 11, got Bluetooth 5.2, 6.2 inch screen. Man, the width of it is just about a little bit over 2 inches, just under 2 inches. I mean, at 2 inches, I'm sorry. It's got a 4,000 milliamp battery. 4,400 milliamp battery, 12 gigs of RAM. I mean, this phone is a beast. When you open it up, it's a 7.6 inch screen. Man, I am fired up for this. I can't pretty much wait to get into this. What I'm going to do is set everything up. I'm not going to go into too much, but for the most part, let me show you some of the stuff that I got for it. I do got the leather flip case for this. Pick that up. I got the flip cover with the pin. So look forward to using that. I'm gonna open all these up in another video. And I got the wireless charger trio where you can charge a phone, some headphones, and your Galaxy Watch all on one station. That is hot. Can't wait to show you that. Be on the lookout for some other videos, tips and tricks. But I'm about to set this up, man. I'm real hyped about this. This is my first fold phone. Feeling really hyped about this. It's gonna be the main phone in my pocket. But that pretty much does it, y'all. If you have any questions, please leave those down below. Also, link to pick up one of these will be down in the description if you're interested in picking up one from Samsung's website or any other place. But I'm gonna have a link down there for you guys where it'll link you right into where you can check out some of Samsung's deals. So other than that, I appreciate you. Thumbs up, leave your questions. Catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.